in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing some smoked jerk chicken. So we've got some, I just actually found these at Canadian Tire, the Bradley Caribbean blend for the wood biscuits for the Bradley smoker. So right now it's been about 40 minutes. Right now it's hovering over 253, but the smoker chips has not set in yet, so I'm waiting for that to start setting in and build up smoke. But right now there's the vent there, it's open, so we'll see how long this will take. Probably hopefully another 10 minutes or so. And but yeah, right now I'm just waiting for the smoker to get ready. The meat's been seasoned for 24 hours now, so just keep watching.
Will you break my heart? Did we stop growing cause it got too hard? You and I are stormy too. Wonder if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Forget me not. Either way, you had me from the start.